Let's put a mark down there as well. So just taking a look at using my thumb as a guide. First of all, you just want to make sure that your cut has started nicely where you want it, on the line that you want. So let's now follow through with this 45-degree cut. Nice and steady. And as you can see, I'm going sort of flat and then down a bit. You'll do this naturally after a while, and you'll just get a feel for it. You can hear the whip of that saw, and that's perfectly natural, that's okay. And I'm going down these, just going to get nearly there and just show you how this line has gone down nicely at 90 degrees. This has gone off nicely at 45 degrees. And this 90-degree angle here has been cut straight down the line as well. Again, a really nice feeling to be able to do this and not deviate from the line. And it just makes for, you know, carpentry work. Carpentry work should be precise. And the better you get, the more precise you can be. And I think you'll find that if you're anything like me, your brain starts to think all things carpentry and your mind starts to work in this way.